Hi, it's Kerry. I'm going to be showing you all my cattle today. I've got 12 bulls, 19 cows and 21 calves. The goose is going for a swim. David the farmer has asked Tyler the vet to check all the animals today. And here's Matt and Sarah. I'm showing the cows first and then the bulls later. The Papo Limousin cow. And Colwitusi cow. Hereford cow. My 3D cow. Simmental calf. Holstein calf. Red Brahman calf. A Jersey calf. Jersey cow. Limousin calf. The Brownvere cow or brown cow. Alp cow. Hereford cow. Simmental calf. A duck going for a swim. The hen and her chickens. I'm not going to show you all these calves, we'll just do a close-up of them. Some I've got two of anyway. Simmental cow grazing. Red Brahman cow. Brown Swiss cow. Schleich Simmental cow. Jersey cow. Holstein cow. Piebald cow. Brahman cow and and calf. On goal cow, Texas Longhorn cow and calf. Texas Longhorn cow, the goose is going for a swim. Now I'm up to the bulls. Simmental bull, red Brahman bull, Frisian bull, Papo, Simmental bull, brown Swiss bull, Hereford bull, Alp bull, Schleich black bull, Brahman bull, Texas Longhorn bull, and Colwitchese bull. Another Texas Longhorn bull. That was 52 head of cattle, 12 bulls, 19 cows and 21 calves. Subscribe and like if you like cows and bulls and calves. Remember to tap the bell icon to be notified when my next new video is uploaded. Thank you for watching my video. Please share with your friends. See you again soon.